friends, have you ever seen a helicopter fly in the sky? This is something fun I found. It's an experiment to try. It's called the helicopter experiment. And read through all of this. And the directions are here to make a helicopter. If you're unable to read this yourself, which you probably are not, it took me a little try. Here's 2 helicopters. I cut this out and I folded it to show you what it's going to look like. One time, might not look like a regular helicopter, but trust me, it's a lot of fun. I tried this. So you're going to hold it up. You're going to let it fall. If you hold it from a large place, it falls a lot better, but it twirls and twirls and twirls as it falls down. Then you're going to try it with a paper clip and hold it up into a large place and let it fall. Which works better? Does it work better just with the paper or with the paper clip on there? Then you can go back to your front page and write your results. See what happens with the helicopter. It's a lot of fun. I like to play with this like all the time. So keep playing with it. There's 2 of them in here. Have lots of fun. Bye, friends.